Welcome to Choice Champions. The best MagSafe 3-in-1 is probably one of the most convenient and sleek charging solutions for Apple users, consolidating your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods charging needs into a single, elegant device that declutters your nightstand or desk while ensuring all your essential gadgets are powered up and ready to go. Number 5. Foldable 3-in-1 Wireless Charger. Introducing the ultimate charging solution. This versatile station powers up your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds simultaneously, eliminating cable clutter. Its innovative foldable design makes it incredibly portable. Perfect for your nightstand, desk, or on the go, it unfolds easily to provide a stable charging hub wherever you are. Get your devices powered up in no time. It delivers a rapid 15W wireless charge, significantly faster than standard chargers, so you can get back to using them sooner. Rest assured, your devices are protected. Built-in safety features prevent overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, while the non-slip base ensures everything stays put. A subtle blue LED indicates charging status without being disruptive. You can even turn it off completely for an undisturbed night's sleep. This sleek and compact charger not only organizes your cables but also enhances your space. It's the ideal companion for home, travel, and your office. What we like. If you prioritize portability and a clutter-free setup, this foldable charger is your ideal companion. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel or small spaces. If you like to keep your nightstand clean and enjoy a charging indicator that won't disturb your sleep, this is the one for you. What people say. The charging station is a great addition to my desk, keeping everything organized and charged. I love how it charges my iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. It's very convenient. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't take up much space. Number 4. JoyGeek 3-in-1 Wireless Charger for Apple Devices. Tired of tangled cables and messy desks? Simplify your space with this sleek charging station. It's designed to power up your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, giving you a clean and organized workspace. This versatile charger is compatible with a wide range of your Apple devices. Simply place your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods on the stand for simultaneous, hassle-free charging. Whether it's your nightstand, desk, or office, this charger fits seamlessly into any environment. It's ideal for anyone who values convenience and a tidy setup, from students to professionals. Engineered with your safety in mind, it features advanced temperature control and object detection. The dual-coil design also allows for convenient horizontal or vertical charging, perfect for multitasking. Included with an 18W adapter and USB-C cable, it ensures fast and reliable power. Plus, with a 24-month warranty and lifetime support, you can trust in its durability and performance. Experience the ease of charging all your essential Apple devices with just one elegant solution. Make your life simpler and more organized starting today. What we like. For those who crave an organized workspace and a simplified charging routine, this station is a game changer. If you're an organizing enthusiast or a multi-device user who values a sleek aesthetic, its ability to charge 3 devices simultaneously with a single cable will transform your desk. What people say. The charging station is a great addition to my desk setup, keeping all my Apple devices charged and organized. I love how compact and sleek the design is. It doesn't take up much space and looks very modern. The magnetic alignment for the iPhone is spot on, ensuring a secure connection every time I place my phone on it. Number 3. Belkin MagSafe 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Stand. Introducing the ultimate charging solution for your Apple devices. This versatile stand powers up your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, simplifying your daily routine. Experience the magic of MagSafe technology. It ensures perfect alignment every time, so you can just place your device down and let it charge without any hassle. Get your devices powered up quickly with fast wireless charging capabilities. It delivers up to 15W of power, ensuring you spend less time tethered to an outlet. This charging stand is specifically designed to work seamlessly with your iPhone featuring MagSafe, Apple Watch, and AirPods. It's the perfect companion for your Apple devices. Elevate your space with this sleek charging stand. It even supports standby mode, allowing you to style your iPhone beautifully when it's charging. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year limited warranty and connected equipment protection. Your devices are safe and protected while charging. What we like. If you're invested in the Apple ecosystem and appreciate seamless integration, this stand is designed for you. Its MagSafe technology ensures perfect alignment every time, and it even supports standby mode to style your iPhone. If you value premium build quality and a reliable charging experience from a trusted brand, this is a solid choice. What people say. The charging station is designed to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. It features a MagSafe-compatible iPhone charger that securely snaps your phone in place for optimal charging. The adjustable design allows you to angle your iPhone for comfortable viewing while it charges, perfect for watching videos or making FaceTime calls. Number 2. 3-in-1 Foldable Wireless Charging Station. Tired of tangled cords? This charging station powers up your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, bringing an end to your charging woes. Its foldable and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel. Easily slip it into your bag and enjoy convenient charging wherever you go, whether at home, the office, or on the road. Featuring built-in magnets, it ensures precise alignment and a secure hold for your devices. Charge and view your phone in any orientation, portrait or landscape, with confidence. Need a little light at night? This charger includes a 3-level adjustable LED nightlight. You can easily control the brightness or turn it off completely for a comfortable, undisturbed sleep. Rest assured with advanced safety features like temperature control and overcharge protection. It provides stable and efficient charging, ensuring your devices are powered up safely and quickly. Your purchase includes the wireless charger stand, a 20W quick charge adapter, a USB-C cable, a user manual, and a 12-month warranty. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This charger is perfect for those who want an all-in-one bedside solution. If you appreciate a subtle night light that you can adjust or turn off, and you need reliable MagSafe charging for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, this stand offers convenience and safety with its built-in protections. What people say. It charges my iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, which is incredibly convenient. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't take up much space on my nightstand. The magnetic connection for the iPhone is strong and holds the phone securely in place while charging. Number 1. LISEN Qi 2 MagSafe 3-in-1 Folding Charger. Introducing the LISEN Qi 2 MagSafe 3-in-1 Charging Station. It's designed to power up your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. This charger features a compact and foldable design, making it perfect for travel. It easily fits in your palm or pocket, keeping your space tidy wherever you go. Experience seamless charging with its strong magnetic connection. Just snap your iPhone on for easy alignment and fast wireless power. The sturdy base and satisfying weight ensure it stays put while charging. You can rest assured your devices are safe and secure. More than just a charger, it doubles as an adjustable stand for your iPhone. Enjoy hands-free viewing in portrait or landscape mode. LISEN is committed to sustainability and responsible business practices. This charger also comes with a 24-month warranty and friendly customer support. What we like. If you're looking for the latest in charging technology with a focus on portability and versatility, this Qi 2 MagSafe charger is a top contender. Its strong magnetic connection and foldable design make it ideal for life on the go. If you enjoy using your phone as a stand for calls or videos while it charges, this offers that flexibility. What people say. The charging station is a great addition to my desk, keeping all my Apple devices charged and organized. I love how compact and sleek the design is. It doesn't take up much space and looks good on my nightstand. The magnetic alignment for the iPhone is strong and secure, ensuring a perfect charge every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.